PolyWorks AR 2023 brings PolyWorks inspectors powerful reviewing tools into your augmented workplace. Now, after measuring, you automatically see results on the part, providing faster feedback. Then, using the review menu, you can navigate your control views, showing color maps and annotations to analyze results one area at a time. And investigate high deviations by hiding the CAD hologram and its color map to clearly see the part surfaces underneath. With PolyWorks AR 2023, operators can better understand issues by reviewing results directly on the part and its environment.